Hello everyone, welcome back to Cisco tutorial series. My name is Jitendra Yadav and today I will show you how to enable DHCP pool in Cisco router. So why we need DHCP pool? Basically assigning IP to each host is very hectic task if there are lots of hosts. So if you enable DHCP pool in your router, then each and every host will automatically get its IP and thus it will save your time. So let's get started. I'll show you in Cisco packet tracer. First I'll drag one router and a switch. Now I'll drag here number of hosts. I'm using copper straight through wire because router and switch are two different devices, and similarly switch and PC are two different devices. Let us assume that there are lots of hosts. For example, let's assume that there is 500 hosts or more than 500. So in that case, it is very hectic to assign IP to each and every host. So now I'll show you how to assign DHCP pool. So double click on your computer or host which is connected to your router via console port, desktop, and then terminal. I'll zoom it so that it is visible. I hope it is visible now. I think it is quite visible now. So first I will want to interface fast Ethernet. This is FA0/0. So I'll interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and let us take an IP pool of 192.168.1.1/24 and its subnet will be 255.255.255.0. I'll uplink it. I'll put my pool as the name of pool. I'll put network 192.168.1.255.255.2.0. This is the default IP for router, that is gateway IP, default gateway IP. Now I'll also put DNS Now we have to exclude this IP so that it will not be assigned to any host. That is default gateway router IP. Now let us check if our command is right or not. You can see here now our DHCP request is successful. That is default gateway 192.168.1.1 and DNS server 192.168.1.2. Similarly, I'll check for this. And now, even if you add more host, it will assign IP automatically. DHCP request is failed because you can see here this is still not connected. Now once again I will do, and you can see it will get their IP. So thank you. This was for today.